Hello and welcome to Technical Skillz YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. So in this video we will learn how we can create the soft UI design in our Android application. We will use the library to create this beautiful design in our Android application. So first of all we have to open Chrome browser and we need to search the dependency. So here I will open the new tab and here I will search Neumorphism GitHub. And here we have to open the first link tied to Neumorphism in Android. Okay, here I have Android Studio. I have created empty project, so we need to add the dependency of this new morphism. So first of all we have to add the Mammon repository. So I will copy this Mammon repository and open Android Studio. So I'm using the latest version of the Android Studio, so here I have to open the setting.gradle app file. So now here we have to add the Mammon repository and just click on the sync now. Okay, now go to Chrome browser and here we have to copy the dependency. So I will copy it and go to build.gradle file and here we will paste that dependency. So I will simply paste it here and here we need to add the version of this library. So I will use 0.2.0. Okay, now just click on the sync now. Okay, so if you want to upgrade this version you can also upgrade version. You can see here it's highlighted, so just simply click on here and press alt enter. You can see here we have updated version is available, so just click on the change to updated version. Okay, now close all the files and go to activity xml code and here we will add our code. We will design the structure of our application. Okay, first of all we will add the added text. So for added text in Neumorphism we need to add the card view. So I will simply type here card view. So here you can see we have Neumorphism card view. So I will simply select this one and the width into match parent and height into 100 dp. Suppose I select the 100 dp. You can see here we have beautiful design and now I will close this one. And inside this card view we will add the edit text. So here I will type edit text, that is match parent, and give the hint. So let's say I type here enter email. Okay, now we need to remove the underline, so here I will select the background. So simply type here background and here we need to choose the transparent. Okay, now here you can see it's removed. Okay, now we need to add the padding from the left. So I will simply select the 20 dp padding from the left. So now here you can see we have padding from the left side. Now it's looking good, so I will just simply close the enter text. So if you want to decrease the height of the card views you can simply add here 80 dp or 90 dp, whatever you want to add. Okay, so one more thing, in card view we have to add the shape design. So here I will select the shape type. You can see we have pressed and it looks like we have pressed the button. You can see here, and if we select the other one, suppose I select again shape type and suppose I select the flat, it looks like this one. And if I select the third one, that is basin, so it's look like this one. Okay, so I will copy this card view and paste at the bottom. We will paste it here three times. We will use all the designs. So here I will choose the flat and here we will use the pressed. Okay, so now I will go to the design and select one by one and add the constraints. So I will select the second one and add the constraint like this. Now I will select the third one and add the constraint at the bottom of the second like this. Okay, now we need to check and let me add the constraint it at the top. Okay, now let's run the application first and let's see how it looks like this. Okay, I run the application and here you can see it looks like this one. And now we have to add the text view. So I go back again to our and here we have to search the text view. You can see here we have text view, and here I will type match parent and text height into wrap content, and here I give the text. So I will select the text, and simply here we will type something. Let's say I type same text here, Neumorphism text view. Okay, now text color. So here I will choose the color, text color into white or black. You can choose both color, or you can choose any other color, doesn't matter. Okay, now text size. Let's say I select text size into 30 dp. Okay, now we have to select this text view. Here we have text view. Let me select this one, and we have to drag at the bottom of the edit text. Okay, now it's not clearly visible, so we have to run the application and let's see. Okay, here you can see we have text view, so it's looking like this. We can also add the shadow colors, and so now we have to add the floating icon. We will change the color later, so here we have to add the floating action button. So here I will select the floating action button that is from Neumorphism. So here I will choose, so let's say I select here 100 dp and again 100 dp. Okay, now we will add the icon. So here I will click on the file, new, and select the vector asset. So let's say I select any vector asset. Okay, now I will add that vector asset here. So here I will choose the brightness. Okay, now we will choose the scale type. So here I will choose the center. So here you can see we have this floating action button, so I will close it for now and go to design, and we will select the floating action button and we will add the constraint. Suppose I want to add at bottom, so you can see here how it's looking cute. Okay, if you want to change the style shape, you can also change the shape. So suppose I want to change the shape type into pressed, so you can see here it looks like this. And if you want to change the color of all the edit text, image, and card view, so how we can select this one? Open the library. So here you can see we have library. We have to scroll a little bit, and here you can see we have shadow color. We have two types of the colors, so we will copy these two colors and we will paste inside floating action button, or you can add at the card view. Okay, so I want to change the color here, so I will select here hash. I put the fff, it's white color, so here I will choose the color. Suppose I want to change the color into black like this, and here you can see in the floating action button we have black color. So let's say I change second color, so again I type here hash ff, and here we can change simply this color. So you can see here, but it's not looking good. You have to design a proper color. So if you want to change a proper color, suppose I want to choose a proper white color like this and like this. Now it's looking better. So in this way you can create different over colors. And if you want to change the text view color, so it should be looking good. So here we will paste two lines, and again I will choose here color hash ff, and here we can simply choose the color. It looks better. Okay, so let's run the application and let's see how it's look. Okay, here you can see we have different design, we have different color with text view. So now I want to tell you one more thing. If your library not work, you have to add the style. So here I need to put style, and here you can see we have widget dot and Neumorphism floating action button. So this is text view, so here I will choose the widget text view. So need to search here text view. You can see here we have widget Neumorphism text view. You can just simply need to add this style, so it will definitely work. Okay, now we will add the button, and here we need to add the Neumorphism button. So here we have image button, simple button. You can select here, and here I will choose the match parent, and height should be 90 dp or 100 dp, whatever you want. And again I will choose the text. So here I will choose text button and gravity. So here I will select the gravity into center. Okay, now I will close it. You can also add the style if you want to add. Okay, so I will go to design and select this button and add the constraint at the bottom of the text view. So here we have button. So if you want to add the shape style, so here I will simply change shape type, and here suppose I select pressed. You can see here it looks like this. Okay, so if you want to change the text style, you can also change the text style. Okay, now we will add the card view. So again I will select the card view, new morphism card view. So I will select here 150 dp, and height should be 150 dp. Okay, now I will close this card view. Okay, we need to add the constraint. So I will select this card view and add the constraint like this. Okay, here you can see we have card view. You can add the image inside this card view. Okay, so now let's run the application and let's see how it looks like the design. Okay, our application is successfully running. So I did not add the constraint properly, so it's overlapping. So anyways, this is our design. So in this way you can create beautiful soft UI in our Android application. So if you have any question, any problem, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.